Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the topic is find and replace in Excel. So, first of all, you know what is find and replace. MS Excel provides find and replace option for finding and replacing text within the worksheet. You can use this feature to search for specific data and replace it with a new content. Hope you guys understand this concept. So, the shortcut key of find is Control F, or else you can go to these editing category and select find and select. Here so many options are present, so click on find. I want to find out some 200. Okay, find all. So here the dialog box shown $F and $6. That means F column and sixth row, and automatically 200 will be highlighted. This is a find. And the next one is replace. Go to find and select. Here click on replace. I want to replace with 200, 300. Okay, so click on replace all. All done. We made one replacement. That is, the 200 will be converted into 300. So this is a replace option. Hope you all get the concept find and replace. Thank you.